How to see friends request on BeReal. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to see or find friend requests that you're getting on BeReal. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your BeReal account on your mobile phone in your app, and this is where you will get. So on BeReal, we can add friends and we can also discover different people. So you can see that once you open up your feed on BeReal, we have two options at the top right corner and left corner of our screen. So you can see at the top left corner of your screen, you will find a add friend option. So you have to select that one and it will show you your friends. If you want to add new friends, you can switch to add friends and then you will click on my friends. Here, if you have any request, you will be able to see it right here in your friends section. It will show you a notification that you have one or two requests. I do not have any requests right now, so you can see I cannot see it, but if you have any, you will be able to see them right here, and you will also get a notification once you receive a friend's request on BeReal. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.